We're back today with the Sur-Ron, and we're going to try to get in control of the situation. Was that too cheesy? Stay tuned. There's more. Today we're going to be putting some billet levers on this bike. The nice thing about these levers are they hinge all the way around. So what that does is when your bike falls over, this is going to increase the likelihood that it doesn't break. Plus, these cast levers are, like I said, cast aluminum. And we know what cast aluminum does under a shock load. That's right, it cracks and breaks. We're going to put some billet ones on there that, well, they won't bend and, oh, they feel nice. The tools you're going to need are real simple. You'll need a 10 mil, an 8 mil to adjust the wrench, and a 5 millimeter Allen. So let's get in here. Let me show you how quick and easy this can be done. So we'll take our Allen wrench. We'll get it in there. Take our 10 mil underneath. You do not need a ratcheting 10 mil to reach this. It's really simple. You could use a socket wrench, any of those kind of things. The nut and washer. See, this is a lock nut. It's very important to make sure you save that and reuse it. Up next, we'll take, you have to push the lever in. You'll see I'm getting a little bit of wiggle on it, and push up. Underneath this is a wavy washer. Wave washer is what it's called. It's technically a spring, and what that does is as you tighten down, it's going to hold all of this tight, but that way it's not over tight. It keeps tension on it so the bolt doesn't come out. All right, now next you're going to pull the handguard forward, and we'll snake this out of there. As you see, this handguard is zip tied on this side. It does not have to be cut. Just pull that out of there. Take your new one, turn it sideways, fish it through, and it goes right in. This is a step there. The step is the trick. You'll be pushing down, it won't go through. This goes right in. Lines right up. You just push it in a little bit. And there you go. We'll take our washer, nut, get them started. 10 mil on the bottom, Allen wrench on top. Now you want these things snug. You want them tight. You want to make sure you engage the lock nut. What I like to do is hold the wrench up like this so you don't torque too much, but you got enough on there. Make sure it works. You hear that clicking noise? You see that clicking noise? That's because of this. These levers have that piece built on there also, which engages your brake switch. One thing left to do, turn this out to adjust it to your liking, which I'm going to adjust to my liking, and the purchaser of this bike could then adjust it to their liking. The lock nut on it, that little lock nut, you'll run it into the lever, pull the lever out, and then just give it a little snug tug. There we go. A quick install on some billet levers. As you can hear, it's clicking the brake switches like it's supposed to. These are a little shorter, so they're really easy to just two-finger. Gonna be less of a chance to break because they're shorter and they're folding. I mean, you really couldn't ask for more.